All right, I am here with Julian Mazer, lead mycologist, and he is in the middle of doing a petri discard. And that is when a petri dish gets too old for us to continue to use. And you can see the software here will actually tell us which petri dishes need to be discarded. So you can see he's got a lot of them that are older than 6 months there. So he's going through and making a stack of the ones that need to be discarded. And this is this is level 3 petri dishes. Level 1s are the ones that we're currently using in production. Level 2 is the backup to the level 1, and level 3 is the ones that were the backup to the last level 1. So there's 3 levels of security. That way, if we ever have contamination, we can go back to a prior dish. And Julian is in the middle of, he's replaced all of these dishes recently. And so now he is discarding the ones that he needs to discard that he actually replaced.